gotta get the picture.
Sorry. Damn, let me hold a little bit more.
All right, we made it. Bay Shore Campground in Rock Hall, Maryland.
What's happening, Captain?
You got it, Captain. We made it.
I suppose.
Okay, so we're at the campsite, Bay Shore Campsite, Rock Hall, Maryland. We just got all set up, took some pictures. I'll show you of Bliss. Maybe I already showed you those, but we're just taking a little evening walk. We're right here on the Chesapeake. I just wanted to show you this. I want to walk out. This is like 2 rows over from where we're camped at. But look at this gorgeous sunset. Oh my God. Look at that out yonder. This is the Chesapeake. There's the captain right there, standing on the Chesapeake. Look at him. That's a great image. We are so grateful. We are just grateful just to be able to come out here and enjoy this lifestyle and learn more. Look at this. This is Chesapeake. There's a lot to learn and know about the Chesapeake. I can't give you a history lesson right now. But this is it. Okay, so we're up this morning and I'm walking out for the first time. This is what I'm walking out to.
Good morning, Captain.
What's happening, Captain? So the pond, there's 2 ponds here. We're just right in front of this one pond here. There's fish in there, but you are only allowed to catch and release. So we'll probably go out there today and try our hand at it, see what we can catch, have some fun. But the park is full. If you look around, there's a lot of RVs out here. Little good advertisement here for our neighbor here who's into sports events. But as I move on around here, I'm looking at the captain. The captain is out here using his his grill for the first time. Look at him, boy.
What's happening, Captain?
What's happening, Captain? I don't know if he's good with those utensils or if I should be stepping back a little bit. I'm not sure. I don't know. I think he knows what he's doing. This is his first use of his new grill. We got a small one, the Blackstone. I think it's 17-inch. For the most part, it's just me and him that are out camping, so we don't need a whole lot of space for food. But I think he's doing a good job with these hash browns here. What say you?
What say you?
Let's get a little bit closer here.
Can you smell them? Let me put some smell. Put some smell up in there in the film.
All right, he's got his onions going there.
What say you?
Oh, look at him. Getting all fancy with the utensils. You having a good time, Captain? Oh, I don't know. Looking like a samurai or something. I don't know.
Let me get a shrimp so I can put it on that hand.
Ooh, stop. I'm out of here. I think it's time for me to go.
Put a shrimp on
Bye,
that
y'all.
Just installed a paper towel holder. It's secured by GM secured tape. That's something that we really need here in the kitchen. I just put it up there. You can pan up a little bit more, see what it is. You know, a little difficult. We have the stove here. Won't get involved with the 2-burner stove. A little bit with the light, but we can get around that. It just slides right in like that and put it that way. That's pretty good. Another improvement, we've already did the shower. We've already did now the paper towel holder. And we're going to continue on with some 3M hooks around the shower and also around here. Because you can never have enough storage.
So we're out. We're going to take some trash out. I had my hair braided up. And I'm getting ready to go on vacation, so I had to take my braids out. Because I get my hair done on Monday. So I've been kind of stuck inside of the camper all day. So DeWitt cooked breakfast and lunch.
Looking like a woman trucker.
You'll see me. He said I look like a trucker today. I have my cap on. We're going to do a little bit of fishing. But right now we're headed out to the trash can. So we're monitoring our tanks. So this was a good weekend. We're learning how to monitor our tanks. Every time we go out, we learn something new about our Thor Gemini 24 KB. So we're coming back from the dump, the trash dump. Just another angle of Gemini sitting here. Look at her in all her bliss. She's holding her own. She can have. So we're walking up here. We're by the office now. This is the little office they have. How cute it is. So they have these porta potties set up all around the campsite. So if you don't want to use your RV's bathroom for some reason or another, there is a porta potty just a few steps away. So Mr. Ruth is going to try his hand at catching some fish here in this pond.
Not me.
Huh?
You are, not me.
Well, he said me, so he is getting the fishing rod all ready. We don't have any worms. I don't know what kind of bait we got.
Mushroom.
We don't have any kind of bait?
Mushroom.
Mushrooms.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, mushrooms. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Just gonna throw it in and see what happens. So this is a little pond. Casting?
Mm-hmm.
Let me back it up. I want my eyes. I don't need to lose them. Ooh, he did that so fast I missed it. I think he's casting. He's fishing already. He worked quick. And look how beautiful this sunset is. Oh my, look at that right there. Capture that. Look at that. Oh, this is beautiful. There's the Bay Bridge over there again. We'll just pan on around. This is where we are, friends. So this is the Bay Shore campsite in Rock Hall, Maryland.
What's happening, Captain? You ready?
Yeah.
What's wrong with your finger? Band-Aid came off again? Huh? What's happening, Captain? It's checkout time. We had a good weekend. And we can talk about the importance of having a good first aid kit. Or keeping up with everything in your first aid kit, because Janice had a cut on her finger. We had to take care of that. We had Band-Aids, and then when we had to change the Band-Aid again, we couldn't find the Band-Aids or the antiseptic wipes. So that's really strange. So I'm sure in this very large RV, we shouldn't be losing things like that. So with that in mind, first aid kit, well equipped, and take care of all injuries immediately.
Well, we on our way home now. What's happening, Captain?
Putting the hammer down.
Putting the hammer down.
Hammer down.
Here we go, y'all. Back over the Bay Bridge again. We're elevating. So the captain said that the 24 kV, the Thor Gemini, right now is getting us about 13 miles to the gallon.
About 13 miles per gallon.
So I guess that's not bad. We didn't have the eco system on for some of the way. That could have inched it up a little bit more.